Hey guys, how y'all doing? Happy New Year. So today I'm going to show you how to do your measurements with a measuring tape. So when you order from mercycouturewigs.com, you know exactly what to do, okay? And your measurements are going to be exact. Now right now I'm taking a plastic kind of material measuring. It has, I believe these are centimeters on one side and has inches on the other. It goes all the way to 60 inches. Now, I suggest that you do this on freshly braided hair or hair that's all the way flat in a ponytail. If you just wash your hair and you have very kinky hair or very, very curly hair and it's super thick and it's about maybe half an inch to an inch above your scalp, I think you need to braid it down or you need to like do something else because you need this super flat. All right, so first thing we're going to do, I'm going to take the number one part of the measuring, what do you call this? The measuring, God, tape. And I'm going to put it from where my widow's peak starts all the way up here. And I am at a 21. All right, 21 inches. So next I'm going to do, if you're doing a frontal, you're going to want to get from your temple to temple, especially if you're doing a frontal. All right. And you place it, make sure it's on top of your occipital bone. And might have a little bit of hair there, so that's fine, but whatever. Because you're going to have hair there anyway. Oops. And it's from my temple to where the temple ends. And that's a 15. All right. So now we're going to do the front to the nape. All right. Front to back. I should be a 14. Yep, I'm a 14. All right. So now we're going to do, oh, while we're in the back, let's just do the nape. All right. I'm at like a 4.5. Okay, for the nape part. That's probably because I pulled my hair up. And then we are going to do ear to ear. So I put it like right where my sideburn is. Bring it down. And it says it's a 13, which is not a 13. I'm a 12. So let me go from ear to ear. Yep, okay. I'm roughly a little bit over a 12. Anyway, all right, so that's what you do. So when you want to measure, just do the measurements, put them into the cart section of the website once you purchase all your bundles or you purchase your wig that you want, and we will make it. All right, it's going to come directly to me, and then it is going to be made into a beautiful wig. But I'm going to also show you how I transfer the measurements onto the wig block. Okay, so don't forget, go to mercycouturewigs.com. All right, order your wig unit, order your closure, order your frontal. We use HD lace and we use transparent lace. Okay, because we want to make sure your wig is flawless. All right, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.